Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into systems of equations to understand a crucial question. When do they have one solution, infinite solutions, or even no solution at all? First, what is a system of equations? It is simply a set of two or more equations that use the same variables. Imagine them as a group of conditions that all need to be satisfied at the same time. For example, we might have 2x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1. So, what does it mean to solve the system? A solution is a specific pair of numbers, an x and a y, that makes every single equation in the system true. When we look at this graphically, the solution is the exact point where the lines for each equation cross or intersect. The most common scenario is a system with exactly one solution. This happens when the lines representing our equations intersect at a single point. Graphically, this means the lines have different slopes. The system is called consistent and independent. Let's look at our example. 2x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1. If we add the two equations together, the y's cancel out and we get 3x equals 6. Solving for x gives us x equals 2. Plugging that back into the first equation, we get 2 times 2 plus y equals 5, which simplifies to 4 plus y equals 5, meaning y equals 1. The single solution is the point 2, 1. Now, what if there are infinite solutions? This occurs when the two equations actually represent the exact same line. We call these coincident lines. Every point on the line is a solution. This system is called consistent and dependent. Consider the system where equation 1 is x plus y equals 3 and equation 2 is 2x plus 2y equals 6. Notice that the second equation is just the first one multiplied by 2. If we try to solve this, for instance by substituting y equals 3 minus x into the second equation, we get a statement like 6 equals 6. This is always true, which tells us there are infinite solutions. Finally, it's possible for a system to have no solution at all. This happens when the lines are parallel. They have the same slope but different y-intercepts, so they never, ever cross. We call this an inconsistent system. Let's take the system x plus y equals 3 and x plus y equals 5. It's impossible for x plus y to be both 3 and 5 at the same time. If we try to solve this algebraically by substituting, we end up with a nonsensical statement like 3 equals 5. This contradiction proves that there is no solution. Here's a quick summary. If the lines have different slopes, they intersect once for one solution. If they have the same slope and the same y-intercept, they are the same line, giving infinite solutions. And if they have the same slope but different y-intercepts, they are parallel, and there is no solution. This isn't just abstract math, it's used everywhere. In economics, the law of supply and demand can be represented as a system of equations. The point where the supply and demand lines intersect is called the market equilibrium. The price at which producers are willing to sell is the same as the price consumers are willing to pay. To recap, we've seen three possibilities. Consistent systems have solutions, either one unique solution if the lines intersect, or infinite solutions if they are the same line. Inconsistent systems have no solution because the lines are parallel. Mastering these concepts is fundamental to your journey in algebra. Keep practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.